In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Outlook to N8n. This process is simple and efficient, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly connect Microsoft Outlook to your N8n workflow. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is log in to your N8n account. If you're not yet familiar with N8n, it's an open source workflow automation tool that enables you to connect your apps and automate tasks. So, head on over to the N8n website and enter your account details. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the N8n dashboard where you can see all your previous workflows and create new ones. Now let's move on to creating a new workflow. On your dashboard, there should be an option that says Create Workflow. Click on this to begin setting up a new automated process. This is where all the magic happens. You can design intricate workflows tailored to your needs and have different apps perform tasks automatically. As you're setting up your new workflow, you'll need to add a trigger node. A trigger node is essentially the starting point of your workflow. It signals when and how your automation should begin. The type of trigger node you choose will depend on the specific task you want to automate. Think of it as the initiator of your workflow pipeline. With the trigger node in place, your next step is to incorporate a Microsoft Outlook node into your workflow. This node will allow you to directly interact with your Outlook account. To add the Microsoft Outlook node, find and select it from the list of available app nodes within N8n. This node will act as a bridge between N8n and your Outlook emails, calendars, and contacts. Once you've added the Outlook node, click on Credentials and then Add New to set up the connection between N8n and your Outlook account. Credentials are essential because they authorize N8n to access your Microsoft Outlook data safely and securely. At this point, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. This step involves entering your Outlook login details through a secure portal. It's important to ensure that you sign in with the correct account intended for the integration. Once signed in, make sure to allow N8n access to your account. This permission is crucial as it allows the workflow to pull information from Outlook and automate tasks as per your configuration. And there you have it, a seamless connection between Outlook and N8n in just a few straightforward steps. Now that you've linked your accounts, you can experiment with various workflows, automate repetitive email tasks, schedule calendar events, and much more. Thank you for joining me today and happy automating.